Welcome to NHTSA's School Bus Driver In-Service Training Safety Series. The objectives of this training module are to describe the different handling characteristics of the various bus models, to be able to recognize when the bus mirrors are properly adjusted, to effectively use those mirrors to gauge the space around the bus, and to be able to properly and safely maneuver the bus when backing. How often have we boarded a bus different from ours and wondered whether it would handle like the one we are used to? Will it brake, accelerate, and stop like our own? How much tail swing does it have? Are there blind spots specific to this bus? Mirrors that have been properly adjusted to you and properly utilized by you as the driver are the single most important safety feature on a bus after brakes. The following video describes proper mirror adjustment in detail.
Hello and welcome to Fulton County Schools Mirror Grid. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the use of Mirror Grid to ensure the mirrors on and in the school bus are correctly positioned to allow for safe pupil transportation. This allows the driver to see motorists, objects, and students near and in the bus. Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 111 requires the use of Mirror Grid for mirror adjustment. To position in the mirror grid, align the bus to move straight forward towards the grouping of orange, yellow, and white circles. Using the crossover mirrors, stop the bus when the front bumper is at the yellow stop line, if that is present, or just before the row of orange circles. When positioned correctly, the orange circles should be visible along the front bumper with an orange circle beside each front tire and a pink circle beside each rear tire. Make sure the driver's seat is positioned in your normal driving position. There are 7 mirrors that must be adjusted properly for the driver before the bus is operated. They are the left and right flat mirror, the left and right convex mirror, the left and right crossover mirror, and the student mirror. On international buses, the mirror adjustment switches are located on the side panel. The top switch controls the upper flat mirrors. Move the toggle switch to the left to adjust the left flat mirror. Switching to the right, adjust the right flat mirror. Place the switch to center to lock into position. The convex mirrors are adjusted the same way using the lower switch. On the Bluebird buses, the mirror adjustment switches are located on the side panel below the radio. The left switch controls the left flat and convex mirrors. The right switch controls the right flat and convex mirrors. Turn the left adjustment knob to the left for the left flat mirror. Turn the knob to the right for the left convex mirror. Turn back to center to lock into position. Use the right adjustment knob to adjust the right side mirrors in the same way. Starting with the left side flat mirror, adjust the mirror so that only 1 inch of the side of the bus is visible in the mirror edge closest to the bus. Then adjust the mirror up or down so that the red rear clip light can be seen in the upper inside corner of the mirror. When properly adjusted, the driver should be able to see down the side of the bus and 200 feet behind the bus. Next, adjust the left side convex mirror. Adjust the mirror left or right so that only 1 inch of the side of the bus is visible in the mirror edge closest to the bus. Adjust the mirror up or down so that the lower half of the side passenger windows is visible and the rear wheel can be seen touching the ground. When adjusted properly, the driver should be able to see 2 pink circles in line with the rear wheel tire at the ground level, and the entire left side of the bus up to the mirror mounts. This will allow the driver to see 1 traffic lane to the left side. Remember, convex mirrors make objects appear smaller. Moving to the right side flat mirror, adjust the mirror left or right so that only 1 inch of the side of the bus is visible in the mirror edge closest to the bus. Then adjust the mirror up or down so that the red clip light can be seen in the upper inside corner of the mirror. When properly adjusted, the driver should be able to see down the length of the bus and 200 feet behind the bus. Next, adjust the right side convex mirror. Adjust left or right so that only 1 inch of the side of the bus is visible in the mirror edge closest to the bus. Adjust the mirror up or down so that the lower half of the side passenger windows is visible and the rear tire can be seen touching the ground. When adjusted properly, the driver should see the 3 pink circles in line with the rear wheel, the rear tire at ground level, and the entire right side of the bus up to the mirror mounts. This will allow the driver to see one complete lane to the right side. Remember, convex mirrors make objects appear smaller. Now we're going to adjust our crossover mirrors. The left crossover mirror should be adjusted to see the orange circle beside the left front tire, the 3 orange circles across the front bumper, the 3 yellow circles 6 feet in front of the bus, and at least 2 of the 3 white circles 12 feet in front of the bus. Now we will adjust our right crossover mirror. The right crossover mirror should be adjusted to see the 3 orange circles across the front bumper, the 3 yellow circles 6 feet in front of the bus, and at least 2 of the 3 white circles 12 feet in front of the bus. The orange circle by the right front tire, as well as the most active zone at the service door. The interior student mirror should be adjusted to see the rear door head guard in the top of the mirror. A properly adjusted inside student mirror allows the driver to monitor the behavior of the students. Emphasis should be on the road ahead. However, periodic brief glances in the inside mirror should be made to observe students. Proper mirror adjustment and the use of all of our mirrors is imperative for the safe operation of a school bus. We should use a logical scan to check all of our mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds. This allows the driver to monitor the 12-foot danger zone around the bus and to look for students, traffic, and other objects in the area. You should never operate a school bus until all mirrors have been checked and adjusted if necessary. Drivers must complete an annual mirror grid during pre-planning, after an accident, or any time a driver thinks their mirrors need adjusting. If you have any questions adjusting your 7 mirrors, contact the training department. Stay focused, drive safe.
The single most dangerous maneuver we can make in a bus is backing. Many collisions occur when backing a bus. There are several procedures that can help minimize the dangers of backing, including quieting the passengers, backing slowly while constantly checking the mirrors. The most effective way to back is using a lookout. The following video gives a demonstration of safe backing. Backing a bus requires planning, vigilance, and focus. Begin by ensuring you have enough room to maneuver a turn while backing. Are there any obstructions you might hit with your front mirrors as you turn to one side or the other while backing? Will the front of the bus clear all obstacles while most of your attention is on the backing maneuver? Once in position, do you know how much room you have to the rear of the bus while backing? Don't hesitate to stop and take a look if you don't have a lookout. If you do have a lookout, pay close attention to their signals so that you don't hit anything as you make this backing maneuver. Buses do not turn like cars. Due to the longer wheelbase, the rear wheels do not track directly behind the front as they do in a car. Every bus turns differently based on several factors such as length of wheelbase and steering capability. A Transit actually has a smaller turning radius than a 72 due to a shorter wheelbase. This also causes the larger bus to have more tail swing. When executing a proper right turn, the bus should clear any obstacles to the right, such as curbs and gores, and should do so without encroaching on any lanes other than the one being turned into.
Right turn. Activate your right turn signal. Check your mirrors before, during, and after right turn. Make sure you don't hit any cones on the left or right side.
When executing a proper left turn, the bus should pull out far enough to allow the rear wheels to track into the lane being turned into without encroaching on any other lanes.
Left turn and stop line. Turn on left turn signal. Remember to check your mirrors before, during, and after your turn. Square your turn to avoid hitting cone on left and curb on right.
Please remember that turning a bus, like backing, braking, and accelerating, takes a careful approach. Have fun, always stay focused, and be safe.